Okay, welcome back to Crowe Chef Academy. So today here what we're going to do is we're going to do our like a paupiette. So I have some sea bass fillets, and what I've done is I've batted them out slightly. Obviously what that's going to do is that's going to make them spread out, make them a little bit wider. They're all going to be a consistent thickness the whole way through the fillet. And I have presentation side down, so that's obviously the side that was we had the skin on it. I'm doing like a roulade, okay, so I'm going to be able to do cut pieces from it when I steam it. But you could do individual fillets as well, and you can secure it with a cocktail stick. So stage one there is to do that. Next stage then is to make a mousse. I've made a fish mousse here with the trimmings of the, I've actually squared these off to like a rectangle, just for presentation, for rolling and consistent product. I've used the trimmings then with some salmon, and I've made a salmon and sea bass mousse. There's two ways I suppose you can do a paupiette. So a classic paupiette is a neatly trimmed and rolled fillet of fish, okay, and generally would have a stuffing in it. So I have two options here. I could put some of the mousse on and then just spread it out with a palette knife and then roll it like a Swiss roll effect, or I could just pipe it. A roulade I suppose would be more along the lines of where I pipe mousse on like that and then I roll it, and this would be a roulade more than a paupiette, but I'm going to do both here. So this would be one way, so then I just roll my fillets over like that, just tap it down, roll it over, roll it back on itself. You could also have like Parma ham around this, or maybe vegetables around this, like courgettes or something like that, or blanched carrot or something like that, or leek would be another texture and flavour there. So back on itself, back to the start. So roll over, and then from the whole, you always kind of put hands from the centre out, so that you are maintaining the thickness of your roulade the whole way through. Okay, so then it's just a matter then of that we tie this off. There, like so, pinch, roll, pinch, till you get it nice and firm. There, like so. And then it's just a matter of tying off. So that's just one way that we're kind of making like a paupiette. It's not a classic paupiette, like I said, this is more of a roulade. But I'll show you the other option there, which is a classic paupiette in 2 seconds. So I'll show you stage 2 in a second. Okay, so welcome back. This is going to be stage 2, or the other way of doing a classic paupiette. So okay, so I have my mousse here, so I'm just going to spread some mousse like that, because we're going to spread it out with our palette knife, just there. So we have a nice coating. It's like a little bit like a Swiss roll, basically. So spread the mousse out, so you have a nice thin layer like that all over my fish. I have a little bit of chives going through that as well. And then what we're going to do is we are going to roll this like so. Again, just tuck it in to get that Swiss roll effect. Okay, just like that. Roll it back, and then we're going to roll it back to the start. There, like that. Okay. Double cling from it as always here when you're doing something like this, so we have the strength. There, like that. From the centre out again as usual. From the centre out, from the centre out. Okay, and then it's just a matter of pinching, tying it up, rolling it till we have a consistent product, and just tying it off. So that's classic paupiette. We're going to steam that about 20-25 minutes. We're going to just cut sections off it. You could do it individually as well. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share to Crowe Chef Academy, and we'll see you soon again.